Okay, we got our head here. And we've drilled our eye holes in here. So we got to take this out in here so we get the eyes to fit. So we got these drilled out. So we're going to go to the back, and we'll move from the back to the front until we get it bored out to where we need it to be. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So I don't know if you can see it, but we're taking this out in here so we get the eye to fit in. So we're going to work on both sides of that, getting this rounded up, and then we'll move on. Thanks for watching.